Stainless cloth diaper sprayer kit by Giggles by Giggles is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. B07121VL4DMAKE sure this fits. By entering your model number. Quality components at a great price. The manufacturer's sprayer set is unique because the manufacturer has included top quality components in the manufacturer set. The sprayer is constructed from 304 stainless steel, which is a very high grade of stainless steel. The hose has a stainless steel casing with an EPDM inner tube, better than PVC, and nylon braided for additional durability. The T-adapter is made with brass for added strength with an anti-corrosion ceramic cartridge, and even the hanger is made from stainless steel too. Easy installation into any toilet. The manufacturer has included all necessary components to install the sprayer into your existing toilet. The T-valve adapter allows you to integrate the sprayer into your water supply to the toilet tank neatly. The manufacturer has even included additional washers and a Teflon tape so that you do not need to get those separately if you need them. You'll be able to install this without professional help in under 10 minutes. Multi-purpose sprayer. This sprayer works great either as a cloth diaper washer or a handheld bottom cleaner bidet Muslim shower shaft. The pressure of the water stream can be adjusted with the T-valve adapter to a level perfect for you. At the highest water setting, you will be getting a high-pressure water stream which can be used to clean the toilet or potty. Some may use it to shower the pet too. It just looks better. The brushed nickel finish together with the sleek body design makes this Muslim shower a good-looking addition to your toilet. This is going to sit in your bathroom for a while, so it's probably a good idea for it to look great. Great function, great durability, great looks. Look no further. Complete after-sales support. The manufacturer has chosen to include the best parts in the manufacturer's sprayer set, and maintain the manufacturer's production process to be of the highest standard. But in the off chance you are unhappy with your purchase, the manufacturer's responsive and caring customer support will attend to you as quickly as possible to help you with any issues you may have. And to top things off, the manufacturer has a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a 1-year free replacement warranty. Button right now.